back to another video, and in this video we were going to learn about one of the most important and basic laws of electric circuits, and this is the Ohm's law. So much further ado, let's start. What is Ohm's law? Ohm's law is a formula used to calculate the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance in an electric circuit. It also states that the current passing through a conductor is proportional to the voltage over their resistance. The concept behind this law was first explained by German physicist Georg Simon Ohm, who the law is also named after. He stated that the electric current flowing through a metallic wire is directly proportional to the potential difference across its end, provided its temperature remains the same. Ohm's law may sound a bit confusing when written in words, but it can be described by this simple formula, where I is the current, V is the voltage, and R is the resistance. The formula can be read as current is equals to voltage over resistance. So now, let us define the different elements in Ohm's law, such as the current, the voltage, and the resistance. Let us define first what is current. Current is the rate at which charge is flowing. An electric circuit is formed when a conductive path is created to allow electric charge to continuously move. This continuous movement of electric charge through the conductors of a circuit is also called a current, and it is often referred to in terms of flow, just like a flow of liquid to a hollow pipe. What is voltage? Voltage is a specific measure of potential energy that is always relative between 2 points. The force motivating charge carriers to flow in a circuit is also called a voltage. What is resistance? Resistance is a measure of the opposition to current flow in an electrical circuit. Resistance is a material's tendency to resist the flow of charge or the current. Current is measured in amps, voltage is measured in volts, and resistance is measured in ohms. This same formula can be written in order to calculate for the voltage or the resistance. If you need help in remembering the different equations for Ohm's law and solving for each variable, you can use this triangle. As you can see from the triangle in the equation above, current is equals to voltage over resistance. Voltage is equals to current times resistance. Resistance is equals to voltage over current. Here is a diagram showing current, voltage, and resistance in a circuit. Any one of this can be calculated using Ohm's law if you know the values of the other two. How Ohm's law works. Ohm's law describes the way current flows through a resistance when a different electric potential or voltage is applied at each end of the resistance. One way to think of this is a water flowing through a pipe. The voltage is the water pressure, the current is the amount of water flowing through the pipe, and the resistance is the size of the pipe. More water will flow through the pipe, the more pressure is applied. and the bigger the pipe is, the lower the resistance. Maybe you are wondering if why do we need to study Ohm's law? We need to study Ohm's law since it can be used to control the amount of current flowing through a circuit by adding resistors to the circuit to reduce the flow of current and by removing the resistors to increase the flow of current. Why Ohm's law is important? Ohm's law is vitally important to describing electric circuits because it relates the voltage to the current with the resistance value moderating the relationship between the two.